Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo Midi-Baby Kit Stand. Sometimes you just want the best. No compromises, no expense spared. Well, my friends, when you want the best kit stands, there is only one choice. The baby kit stands from Kupo are the cat's pajamas of kit stands. The Midi is the smallest of the baby kit series. Perfect for those location gigs where you want to save on weight, but certainly not on quality. Let's check out this bad boy. This all-metal 4-section stand folds down to 35.4 inches for easy storage and transportation. It has an operating range from 35.2 inches to 124 inches, with a weight of only 5.3 pounds and an impressive load capacity of 20 pounds. You won't see any rivets on the stand. The Midi-Baby Kit features nut and bolt construction. The top riser features a solid baby 5/8 inch pin welded onto the top riser. This stand features aluminum brake castings for extra strength and smooth operation. This stand also sports signature Kupo aluminum knobs. The Midi-Baby Kit also features a knob on the lower spider casting so the main riser section can be lowered independently from the base or for a fourth point of contact with the ground. Let's see the Midi-Baby Kit in action. We'll mount an Arri 1K Fresnel to the stand. First, we'll loosen the knob on the top casting and spread the legs until the struts are parallel to the ground and tighten the knob. Now we'll pop the baby receiver onto the baby pin and turn the knob to secure it in place. To raise the stand, simply loosen the knob on the top riser. Raise the fixture to your desired height, then lock the knob clockwise. Repeat with the other risers if more height is needed. For a strong, safe, lightweight kit stand that will last long enough to write its own history, the Kupo Midi-Baby Kit Stand will serve you faithfully for many years to come. Pick up a few today and make your production easier. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.